Hey, what is up, guys? This is Josh from Lead and Iron coming to you with this last video on the last day of 2021. This December 31st, 2021, and it is currently 12 o'clock. And I just wanted to first say thank you to all the subscribers, everyone that has liked and commented, subscribed, and watched, our videos. It really means a lot to us, and one way that we're able to show our appreciation for you guys is to do little giveaways when we can. And we're about to hit that milestone of 100 subscribers, and for that we went out to Best Buy and purchased this HyperX Stinger Cloud Stinger gaming headset. I guess they don't necessarily have to be gaming, they can be used for Zoom calls and whatnot. And apparently these are real decent. This is like a real decent headset, and they're wireless. And I know I had just done that video with like the $20 headset, but the gripe I had was that it had the wire. I mean, it had really good microphones, really good audio, but that wire just kept getting in the way. And I figure, why don't we just do a giveaway with a wireless gaming headset? So this is it. This is going to be the 100 subscriber giveaway. This video is the official video where we're going to like, comment, and if you have to subscribe from, so comment on here. All you have to do is comment something. It could be hey, just saying hello. It can be something about this, something that you know about this headset. It could be anything. All you have to do is comment, like the video, and be a subscriber, and you're entered. But it has to be comment. The comment has to come from this video, and the like has to come from this video. So I will also put this in the headline, and I will also be putting this video in the description of all the other videos until we give this away. I just kind of really want 2021 to end up and positive. It's been a really rough year for a lot of us, including myself, and I'm pretty sure for many of you guys. The least we can do is just thank you for just saying thanks for watching our videos, thanks for subscribing, giving us a chance. And so this one is going to be this gaming headset. I did get this for Best Buy, like I had said before. It was $59.99 on sale, and I figured that why don't we pick this up. I did reach out to HyperX, and I did ask, for some help, and they did respond to me, and they said, hey, check this out. The discount we would give you still wouldn't match what we're offering right now. They said that they would probably work with us in the future, but for now, which I understand, they're looking for exposure as well. But I was just surprised that they reached back to me. So, HyperX Cloud Stinger, wireless, has your little dongle. It is sealed. Came from Best Buy. This is going to be the price for 100 subscribers. So let's get us to 100. We'll give this away. We'll work on 200, 300, and then up to 1,000 subscribers, which is going to be a graphics card, just to let you guys know. So the faster we get to 1,000, the faster I can get you guys a graphics card. If I can get more, I'm sure I'm trying. If I can get more for great deals, we're definitely going to, we're giving back to this community, our community. So share this, like this, comment this video. Drop by, say hi, say I like the video, I'm subscribed, whatever, and then you're entered into the drawing. I'll also, what we'll do, and what I wanted to do is, this will give me the address to where I can put it into like a random generator, comment generator that I found online. And this way I can screen record from my PC, and we can do this together. Anyway, guys, be safe. Have a happy new year. We'll probably drop a short explaining this video so that everyone can go to this video, subscribe, like, and then move on to the next milestone, which is going to be 200, and we'll figure out what to give away then. 2021 is behind us, thank goodness. Let's look forward to 2022. Let's make it a great year. That's not just going to happen. It's going to take all of us. Have a great, happy new year. And I'll see you next year. But I gotta go because my back hurts.